Yo, hello. Why and when this NVIDIA investor sees a buying opportunity ahead? NVIDIA Q2 result at the beginning of the month showing weakness in gaming. Bryn Talkington believes the slowdown is temporary. She's planned to add to her position of future weakness. NVIDIA Corp shares are down over 14% starting from the beginning of the year, and one financial backer sees a purchasing an open door ahead on the off chance that the stock fall future on profit this week. What happened? Requisite capital management. Bryn Talkington made sense of why a purchasing an open door in NVIDIA stock might be quick moving toward Monday on CNBC's Quick Money halftime report. The technical don't look great on the stock right recently going into profit, Talkington said. In the event that it accounts, I am probably going to add to the position. I believe it's a great organization, Talkington said. NVIDIA is set to report its second quarter monetary outcomes after the market closed Wednesday. The organization detailed fundamental second quarter income $6 billion toward the start of August, said it anticipates that gaming income should be down over 13 years over year. Last quarter, NVIDIA beat to top line evaluation of $8 billion when it posted $8 billion in income for the principal quarter. NVIDIA price action. NVIDIA has a week high of and a week low of $100. Thank you for watching. Next the video. Thank you.